Being bilingual or multilingual is the norm everywhere else, and actually speaking only one language is an exception, not the norm. In terms of being able to be fluent in Welsh here in Wales, it doesn't just enrich your cultural experience of being a Welshman or Welsh woman, but also brings around economic advantages. The job market is much more open to you than perhaps people who don't speak the language. The way the kids learn Welsh and master the language is through immersion, but it's not only through reading, little flashcards. It's about singing, they act it out through play within the classroom, and you'll be amazed at how much they'll pick up and use at home with you. There's lots of parents in the schools who don't speak Welsh, and you're sort of on a journey together, and the schools are always very supportive, sending everything back to you bilingually, and there's always support that you can count on. Both my children have friends who don't go to Welsh medium education, and they of course interact with those friends in the medium of English. They switch beautifully between their friends who go to Welsh medium and the ones who don't, and it is not an issue at all. They're not disadvantaged by speaking English as an additional language.